Good afternoon, and thanks for tuning into our live trading setups for December 16th, 2019. Today we will be discussing the new FX Scalpers short-term scalping system using the Renko charts that predicts high probability turning points in the FX market with relatively low risk. I'm going to talk about the rules of entry and then show you a few setups and show some actual trades we took during the session today. So basically the trading system has three elements. The first is the FX Scalpers band, which is the dotted line you see on your screen, this dotted line right here. Essentially, we are looking for buy signals that occur under this dotted line. So here are some examples of buy signals that we received that occurred underneath the dotted line. So those are valid buy signals. And we're looking for sell signals that occur above the dotted line. So here are a few examples on the USD CAD from today that we had some great signals. These sell signals are above this dotted line. So we would be entering at these points here for sells, and buy signals would be these underneath this dotted line here. We had another buy signal later in the day here. The third indicator we use is the FX Scalper Oscillator, which is located in this section here. Basically, this determines the trend of the market, and it also accounts for volatility. So you notice when this turns green, we receive a green dot showing us that we're in a buy trend situation, or the trend is a buy now. And when this oscillator dips below the lower dotted line, we're in sell mode. And again, we're in buy mode once we receive the green dot. So when we are in buy mode, we're looking for buy signals that are below this dotted line. And when we are in sell mode, we are looking for sell signals above this dotted line. And here are some examples of entries today. This is the Canadian chart. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sell entries, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buy entries. And then again, we had another buy entry later in the day. Let's look at the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD chart for today. So we had again a great buy entry, another great buy entry, and another great. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 great buy entries here. And then we had later in the day another 1, 2, 3, 4 amazing buy entries that we would have taken. If we had got into the sell signal right here, as soon as we get the green dot, it tells us that the sell trend has ended, and we are now looking for only buy entries. At the same time, you notice this red dot here. It tells us that the buy trend has ended, and we're looking for sell signals. So you notice we had two of these great sell signals later in the day as well. Let's take a look at the Swiss franc. Swiss franc, we had these two great sell entries. Again, the sell signals, we're looking for trades above the dotted line. We had another sell entry here, another sell entry here. These buy entries we would not be taking because they're not below the dotted line. And then these sell entries are not above the dotted line, so we would have ignored those as well. If we look at the pound today, we had one great sell entry here, another one here, another sell entry here, and here's another one that we actually took later in the day. So this would have been a nice sell entry as well. Thank you for tuning into this quick overview. I'll be posting videos every day using this FX Scalpers scalping system using the FX Scalper band and the DDMI along with the oscillator to show you daily setups and how you can scalp using this system. The system will be available probably within 2 to 3 weeks on our website for purchase. But in the meantime, we will be just showing you daily setups using and showing you how to scalp the market effectively to get 20 to 30 pips easily per day. Thanks again for tuning in.